Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning in to this eyeshadow tutorial. It's gonna be a purple day today. I haven't done purple eyeshadow in such a long time, and it's one of my favorite colors to put on my eyes. I feel like it really makes my green eyes pop. So I thought today would be the perfect day. I have on a purple top. I know I'm usually wearing black and camo, so today I was gonna put on black, and I was like, no, we're not gonna do black today. We're gonna do a little purple look. My earrings are a little purpley. I actually don't like this top at all. This is the first time I put it on. I got this like years ago. So I'm probably gonna be decluttering this top. I give away all my clothes. I don't just throw them out. So just so you guys know, I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty New Nudes palette. I have one video, I think, yes, on my channel with this palette, and I usually like to have a couple just to give people options. So if you haven't seen it, I'm sure you have. This is what the palette looks like. I'm gonna be focusing more on like the light purpley shades, not so much the pinky ones. So hopefully this look turns out okay. I have on my foundation, my brows, and my eyeshadow primer. So if you wanna know what I used, I will put them down below if you're interested. So I think that's all that I have to say. Let me zoom you guys in and get started on my eyes. I really hope my eyeshadow does not clash with my shirt or my earrings. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the shade Lace. It is a really pretty light purpley color, and this is gonna be a transition color, one of the transition colors. I'm gonna be using a couple today, as per usual. I use like a million shadows on my eyes. So I'm taking it with my Sigma E40, buffing it back and forth in my crease, bringing it a little bit up, bringing it on the lid. I don't have to be too precise with this color. It can kind of go anywhere, minus the inner portions of my lid. But you just wanna make sure this is nice and soft and you don't have any like harsh edges. Now I'm gonna take the color Secret, and this is like a mauvey brownie purple, and I'm just gonna use a little bit just to help blend in this light purple in a little bit more so it's not too crazy, you know what I mean? This color isn't gonna make a huge difference, but I just feel like it added a little bit more depth, toned down that purple a little bit, and that's where we're going. That's where we're going with it. My hair looks crazy. I need to work on my exposure because in the viewfinder, I'm like, that's so dark. Does this look better? I take a little bit of Tease, which is a super mauvey, purpley, kind of brown color, picking it up with that Sigma E25. This is gonna go in the outer corner, just like this, because I'm not gonna cut the crease like my whole lid. I'm just gonna cut it like up to here. So I'm just gonna take some, blend this in. Have you guys seen the show You? So my boyfriend has been wanting to watch it, and every time he says it, I'm like, no, no, no. Finally, like I've seen a ton of memes about the show. So I was like, how about we watch You? And he's like, really? I've been begging you to watch it for like months now. So I'm glad you did because it's so good. This guy is such a freaking creep. I'm not done with the first season when you guys are seeing, maybe when you guys are seeing this video, yes, but as of right now I'm not. So I'm not gonna give any spoilers or anything, but all I have to say, if I were to find out a guy was doing that to me, I would be pissed. Pissed. That's all I'm gonna say. It's such an invasion of privacy. It's not, oh my God, sometimes I just get chills because it's so disgusting, disturbing, you know? Ugh. You guys watching any good shows that I should know about? Because after we're done with this, I don't know what the heck we're gonna watch. So it's always good to have like a little backup, you know? Just to make sure I haven't lost that light purple shade Lace up there. Because sometimes when you blend out, you can kind of lose some colors. I'm going in with Lace and just blending out the edges a little bit, bringing that shade back in. I really need to wash my brushes. They are so bad. I haven't washed them in such a long time. Ugh. I'm taking this dark purple color. It's called Love Bite. Super pretty. I'm concentrating it in the outer V, and then I'm gonna go in with my Sigma E36, the little fluffy brush, and I'm gonna put it in the crease as well. I decluttered my makeup recently, and that vlog should already be up. If it's not, sorry, but it should be up soon. But I brought all the makeup that I didn't want anymore. I brought it to my mom's house because sometimes she has people that she gives it to. I just don't throw it out or anything like that. But so I brought it, and my niece, I completely forgot that my niece was super into makeup. She's 6 years old. She's so cute. Her name's Mariska, and she had such a ball today. She did my makeup, we did my sister's makeup, and then me and my sister did her makeup, and she loves red lipstick. It looks so, I know she's only 6, but the red lipsticks just look so good on her. I told her, I was like, you are gonna have the perfect lips for red lips, and when you get older, it's just gonna look so good on you. So like I said earlier, I'm going to be cutting the crease. I'm using my concealer. This is the Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I'm taking it with my shader lid brush, the E56, and just cutting the crease like halfway. I'm going to take the same brush, pick up Daydream, which is a really pretty, like shimmery, metallic, pinky shade. I'm going to wet my brush with water, not setting spray. Yeah. Looks a bit better. Oh yeah, it's crazy what your fingers can do. I'm just gonna take my E25, help blend the shimmer with the mattes a little bit. It's okay if there's like a line because, you know, we kind of cut the crease a little bit. Cut the lid, you know? There you go. I think that looks good. I'm gonna put on concealer. Of course, I have to use the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I just can't keep my hands off of this concealer. It's so good, and honestly, why am I gonna try another concealer if this is just so freaking good? I don't know. So I think I'm gonna put false lashes on. I'm just gonna need some luck because I'm not doing eyeliner, and for me, it's just really hard to put lashes on without eyeliner because at least the eyeliner can hide the lash band a little bit. And I don't know, I just don't feel like putting liner on. Should I just do it? I don't even know. But I took Bare, the lightest shade in the palette. It's like the highlight shade, this one right here. Just put it right underneath my eyebrow, and now I'm just taking lace, blending everything out. And now I'm gonna need some luck. I'm gonna put these lashes on, Ardell 812. Let's see how it goes. If you guys would have seen the struggle I went through putting these lashes on, you would just unsubscribe. It was horrible, so embarrassing. Ugh. One day I will be good at false lashes, but today's not the day. I'm gonna take the dark color called Love Bite, put that on the outer third of my lower lash line. I personally can't go more than a third because I feel like it closes my eyes up a bit. And then I'm going to be taking a mixture of Secret and Lace, and I'm going to buff that into my lower lash line. Okay, and then lastly for the eyes, I'm going to be using my Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect to do my bottom lashes. Okay guys, so the eyes are done. I'm going to finish up my face, and then I will be right back to wrap this video up. Okay guys, so I just finished up my face. I love this look so much. I always say this, but I wish I would have done my full face. I wish I would have filmed it. Actually, I did film it, but I wanted to do like an Instagram video, so I didn't like talk through it. But hey, I did it, so check out my Instagram if you want to see this look eventually. But I love how everything turned out. I love the eyes. I took my hair out of my clip, and this is what happened, and I'm like, okay, I'm here for it. I really like the way my hair looks. So I don't know, I think I do. In the viewfinder, I do, but when I'm editing, I'm gonna be like, ugh. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed these eyes. So freaking pretty. This is a good, dramatic purple look, in my opinion. So, thank you guys again so much for watching. Really appreciate it. I will see you in my next video. Bye!